You want to know how to delete your account in TaskRabbit. So if you are done with your account and if you want to get rid of it, this video is for you. So first things first, simply open up your TaskRabbit.com and make sure you are on its website and not its application, as it's not available to delete it through application. So once you have done that, make sure you are logged in, and on the top right side you should be seeing your account highlighted right here. So you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected account, here you should be seeing various interfaces on the leftmost side right here. So right below transactions, you should be seeing delete account. So you can just simply select that. So now once you have selected delete account, make sure you have authenticated your number. So you can just simply send code if you haven't. And once you have done all of that, here you should be seeing this big delete account option. So make sure you select that. So now once you have selected it, here you should be given a choice of agreement, and then just simply enter your password or the verification code. So once that is done, your account deletion should be complete in 30 to 60 days. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more office videos. See you in the next one.